right now the power is out. And I'm going to show you what happened outside. Basically, me and Nathan are renovating our home, and we're constantly creating construction rubbish. And, well, I clean off this back patio, and then it gets messy again, and so forth. But I'm hoping, since I don't really do eBay anymore, that this is going to be kind of it. This hopefully might be the last time I clean up this back patio. Okay, so the power is still out.
Look, you can.
Yeah, nice.
Here's
Here's my stalker. Hey, bud. Yeah. Yeah. Coming.
Can you just hold the flashlight for me so I can see?
So I'm gonna grab, I need 2 pans, one to cook the hot dogs and one to cook the French fries. Let's see. Alright, so okay. I don't know, this one for the hot dogs. And this one for the French fries. Okay. then I'm going to need to get the oil. Cooking utensil. Okay. Then I need a way to open the packaging. I guess I'll do this one here. All right, there's that. And then I need oil for the French fries because I'm going to be frying it in a pan. So let's see if I can get that. I think I put it here. Okay, there it is. All right, coming.
The hot dogs, they're starting to burn.
I'll turn them, don't worry. Yeah, they are starting to burn a little bit. They're just about done. They're just about done. We might have to do another batch after this,
Well,
Natalie.
there's only one batch of hot dogs. Here, give me the prongs there.
Wait, let me finish.
I'll finish it for a second.
We're gonna do another batch of hot dogs.
We're gonna
No, this is all we got, so that's good. That's good.
We're gonna do another batch of French fries.
Yeah.
Another
So-
batch of French fries. Another batch of French fries. Another